Hello, good evening once again. Tonight we're gonna cook spicy chili crab. Ang mga ingredients natin gagamitin ay mga sumusunod. First of all, ang ating crab. Na-pre-cook ko na siya and I saved the stock for us to use later on for our sauce. Minced shallots, cloves of garlic minced, ginger minced, spring onions, sambal paste, tomato paste, and fermented beans paste. We're gonna use as well corn starch to thicken the sauce, and at the last 2 eggs. And now we're gonna start cooking. Turn on the stove into medium high. So we're gonna put oil on our wok around 1.5 tablespoon. Wait to heat our oil. Mainit na ang ating wok. We're gonna put the shallots. Just take it along. Let the shallots be caramelized for the time being until we put the ginger. So I keep on mixing it so it's not gonna burn. Around 2 to 3 minutes until caramelized. Next one, I'm gonna put the ginger, the minced ginger. Next one, I'm gonna put the garlic. I put the garlic lang so it's not gonna burn. So now, I'm gonna put a little bit of spring onions and save some for garnishing later. I'm gonna put our chili sambal paste. I'm gonna put the fermented soybean paste. Next one, I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Gonna cook the tomato paste so it's gonna be nice. We don't want raw tomato paste. Smells good. If you're here, you can smell the whole house. Tasty, very nice, and delicious. So the next one, I'm gonna put the reserved stock from the crab that I cooked. I put 1 cup for the moment. Then mix it all up and wait to simmer. So we wait for the sauce to simmer. Gonna put a little bit of pepper. Gonna try this first. The seasoning. Yum. Just a little bit of salt. You need to cook the sauce. Now we're gonna add the crumbs. I clean and pre-cook the crabs. So I just put all the crabs now. Yummy and delicious. You can mix it all up. So now I'm gonna put the cornstarch, dissolved cornstarch in cold water to thicken the sauce. Don't put all together, but little by little. And let's check if it's thick enough. Just mix it underneath. I'm gonna put the egg to thicken and makes the sauce delicious, more delicious. And now we're done. Gonna cover and turn off. Here we go. This is the finished product of our spicy chili crab. Okay, thank you for watching. Try to cook this spicy chili crab and see you next time. Bye bye. I put garlic lang so it's not gonna burn because we don't like burnt onions.